Order a list by all items digits in Python. I want to sort a list by each item's digit. Example. How the algorithm should work. Compare each digit of current item in MyList with MyPython. For the first item in the list it would be like that. Difference between 5 and 1 is 4. Difference between 1 and 1 is 0. Difference between 1 and 1 is 0. Difference between those two numbers is 4. The sum of the digit comparison. Do the same for all other items. Order the list by this calculated similarity. I could code this with a lot of for loops, but I am actually looking for a faster way to do this. Is there any algorithm that does something like that? Fast. Further limitations. In my example, all items have a length of 3. In the real scenario they have a length of 25. All items have the same length. Len mylist x == 25 is always true. Items can be strings, ints, floats or whatever fits better to the algorithm. There are only digits between 1 and 5. Background. All items digits are answers to questions and I want to find the most similar answer set to a given answer set. So 123 means that a user answered to questions 1 equals answer 1, question 2 equals answer 2, question 3 equals answer 3. They are multiple choice questions with 25 questions in total, equals length of 25, and there are always 5 different possibilités to answer. Those are the digits 1 to 5. P.S. This is the first question I asked on Stack Overflow, so please be kind with me. I already Googled for hours but I could not find any solution, so I asked here. I hope that is fine. Also, English is not my native language. The answer, thanks to all participants. At Larsman's answer, this URL explains very well how to solve this with reasonable speed. You can even speed up the algorithm by calculating the distances between every digit in advance. See at Nibbler's post, this URL. All the other answers were also nice and correct, but I found that at Larsman's had the best explanation. Thanks everybody once again for the help.
First, make a list of integers from MyPython to make subtraction possible. Then, define a function that calculates the distance between an item and MyPython. We need to map the items to lists of integers as well. The rest is just the vanilla formula for L1 distance, the mathematical name of the difference you're computing. Then, use this function as a key function for sorting.
With lambda and list comprehension.
Pre-computing a table of distances may be faster than converting every digit to int. On my computer, this is 2.9 times faster than Larsman's answer for 100,000 by 25 character strings.
If you want to simulate, please consider subscribing.